This lesson 42, the main thing that we're going to work on, the first part is on short division. I'm not so, I don't really care if you know how to do short division. Okay? There's a thing called long division and short division, and all short division does is you just make it, instead of it being a long problem as you work it, it becomes short. So I want y'all to practice the long way, and I'll just show you really quickly the short way. Okay? But I'm not requiring you to know how to do this. Okay? So take 842 divided by 5. And what I want you to remember to do your dad, mom, sister, brother, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down.
I don't use that. Is that okay if I don't use that?
Yeah, no, you don't have to. It's up to you. That's just something that helps my sons.
That helps me.
Yeah, it helps me too. All right, so everybody go on and perform this, and then I'm going to show you the short division way. Let me make sure y'all.
I know short division.
You what?
Okay.
Wait, do we do the long way?
Yes, do it the long way.
Oh.
I'm going to show you the short way.
Do you know how to do the short way? Isabel?
Done.
I'm not. There's a remainder, right?
You do need a remainder, yes. Yes. Keep going.
Wait, sir, can you do?
Ooh, almost, darling. Check your very last.
Got it.
Let's see.
Dogs always come to you.
What is that?
See, he's itching toward it.
Okay. Everybody got it?
No.
No.
Yes.
No.
This is what I have.
No, you were doing it right. Okay, time out. Time out. So you got the 5, okay? All right, now you take, you did your divide, you did that right, and you did your multiplying right. Now you're going to subtract 8 minus 5. 3. Subtract, and now you're going to bring down. You only work with one number at a time. Now, how many times will 5 go into 34? Now we'll start back over at D. 5 will go into 34 how many times?
You like me, don't you? You're like any other. Why are you snuggling up with my backpack?
My dog lays my
Now multiply 6 times 5.
My dog lays like this.
What? My dog lays in my dad's bag. In it?
Yes, very good. You write it down here. Now we're going to
She gets
subtract
into my shoes.
4.
My cats can climb
Now
up
we're
in
gonna
my
bring
bed,
down.
so whenever I go, I'm like, oh, what are you
Now, how many
doing?
times will 5 go into that? Guys, I need y'all to be quiet, please.
8.
Very good. 8 times 5 is 40. Now we're going to subtract. Is there anything else to bring down? Nope, that means you're done. Remainder 2. Okay. Now,
This is what I have.
everybody should have gotten, very good. Everybody should have gotten 168 remainder 2.
I did.
Okay, good job. Now, I want to, what short division is I won't have anything right here.
What?
Okay? I do it all in my head. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to divide. 5 goes into 8 how many times? 1. And then I'm going to go 1 times 5 is 5. And instead of writing it there, I know that I'm supposed to subtract 5 from 8, which is 3. So I put a 3 here. Okay?
Yes,
Now my new number is this, 34. Then I'm going to go 5 goes into 34 how many times? Yep.
6.
Very good. And 6 times 5 is
30.
30. And 34 take away 30.
4.
4. So I'll put a 4 here. See what I'm doing?
Mm-hmm.
And then 5 goes into 42 how many times?
8.
8. And 8 times 5 is 40. 42 minus 40 is 2. So remainder 2.
Do we have to do this on
No.
our mixed practice?
No.
Okay.
So you can do it long division.
What about
I'm not
lesson
so
practice?
concerned that you even know how to do this. It doesn't matter to me.
I like doing long.
No, you don't have to.
I like doing long.
You can do long. Yeah. Okay. So that's. I'm just
Wait,
wanted
do we
to.
have to do the lesson practice though?
No. Yes. You just don't have to do it that way.
Oh.
Okay. Now, we're going to talk about this. Our last thing we're going to talk about something called divisibility.
Invisibility.
Divisibility. And what divisibility is the ability of a number to be divided by another number. For example, I'm going to write one number up here, 438. And we're going to talk about three numbers, 3, 6, and 9. Okay, that's all we're learning about today. Now, what I want you to see is, will 3 go into this number evenly
No.
without a remainder?
No.
You don't think so? I'm going to put an X. Will 6
Yes.
go into this number evenly
Yes.
without a remainder? You say yes?
Wait, no. I don't think so.
I think it is. Because it's even.
Yes or no?
I think
Yes.
it will.
Yes.
Okay, let's try it. And 9. Will 9 go into this evenly
No.
without remainders?
No.
Nope. Okay. Now, here's the rules. 3 will go into this if I add this plus this plus this, and it equals something that will be divided by 3. So, for example, 4 plus 3 is 12. Oh, sorry. 7. Sorry. 7, and then 7 plus 8 is
15.
15. Will 3
Yes,
go into 15?
Yes, it goes into it 5 times. Yes.
Yes. So guess what? This number, 438, will be divided by 3
That's how you figure it out.
without a remainder. Isn't that cool? So it actually does work.
Oh.
All right, now let's try our 6.
Probably doesn't.
Now listen, here is 6's rule. 6's rule is, if the number is divisible
Where's that?
by 2 and 3,
Where's the
okay? Divisible means, will it go into? So, will 3 go into this?
Yes.
Okay,
So 6
now, do you think 2 will go into this?
Yep.
2 will always go into a number that ends in an even number. Do you know that?
Mm-hmm.
Every number.
1 goes into every number.
Well, yeah. Okay, so will 6,
Yes.
will you divide by 6 and get an even number without any? Yes, you will. Very good. And then 9. 9's rule is this. If the sum is just like 3's rule, you got to add up these, which was what? 15. Will 9 go into 15? No. So guess what? 9 will not work with this number.
I was kind of like.
Okay? Do y'all kind of get it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so 3 and 9 are the ones that you have to add up to see if it equals
I think 6 is easier.
that. Okay? 6 has to work with 3, so 3 has to work in order for 6 to work. And then will it also be divided by 2? Which means what? How do we know if this will go into 2? Or if 2 will go into that? I just told you.
Oh. 2 will always go. Wait, what?
Yes, yes, yes.
2 will always go into an even number.
Very good. We know that the 2 will work on this because it's an even number. So 6 did work because not only did 3 work, but also 2 worked. Okay? Does everybody think they know the rules?
Yep.
Okay. What is 3's rule? Garrett.
Yeah, if it can be divided, like first you have to add all the numbers, and
Uh-huh.
if it can be divided by that number.
Very good. Okay. What is 9's rule? Levi.
Same thing.
Yes. Very good. And what is 6's rule? Isabella.
It has to, 3 has to go into that number of 6.
And 2.
Uh-huh, and
And 2.
one more.
And 2.
And 2. So 3 and 2 have to work for 6 to be right. Got it? Okay. So let me write down these numbers. All right. 456, 567, and 576. Now, which of these numbers are divisible by 3? First, just look and see which one's divisible by 3. Will this one be divided by 3 without any remainders?
Yes.
Why?
Because
Isabella?
6 is on the bottom, and if 3 can go on.
3 doesn't.
I know.
3's not that way. That's 6.
Oh.
Okay, why will 3 go into this number?
Oh, I know.
Garrett.
Because if you added up all three of the numbers, it would equal 15.
Yes, so this one equals 15, right? Okay?
Mhm.
Very good. Now, will 3 go into this number?
Yep.
Yes?
Yes.
Will 6 go into this number?
Yep.
Yes. Why?
Because it's
Because
an
3
even
plus
number
3
and
equals
2
6.
goes
Because
into
we know 3 will go into 15,
and 2 will go into
and 2 will go into it. Why?
because it's even.
Because it's even.
Because this is an even number. So 6 will work. What about 9? Will 9 work? No, 9 will not work. All right, let's try this one.
14.
3, 6, and 9. Which ones work and which ones don't?
None of them do.
Okay? 6 plus 5 is 11. Plus 7 is 18. Right?
Oh, 6 will and 3 will.
This one's 18.
Six
Will
will.
3 go into 18?
Yes.
Yes.
14. Because that's
No.
12.
3
5 plus
3 is the only
6
one.
plus 5 is 11.
Oh.
Plus 7 is 18. Okay.
3 and 9 go into it.
So 3 will go into that. Check. 6?
Nope.
No, why not?
Because the 2
7
doesn't
is
go
an
into it.
Because there's not an even number. Very good.
9 goes
Okay.
into 18.
And 9, will it go into 18?
Yep.
Yes. All right, let's try this one. 3, 6, 9. 5 plus 7 plus 6 equals 18.
Up
Again.
9 and
Same thing. 5, 6, 7, 5, 7, 6. So,
I'll always sit like that.
will 3 go into this one?
yes.
Yes. Will 6 go into this one?
Nope.
Yes. Why?
Oh.
Because 3 did, and
two
because 2
will.
will. Very good. And 9 will go into 18? Yes. Very good.
Oh.
So if I asked you
How's that
which,
different?
just a minute. So if I asked you which of these 3 numbers does all of the numbers go into, what one would you say?
576.
This one. Very good. Okay. This one only had 2. This one only had 2, but this one had all 3.
Why is the middle one any different though? It's the same numbers.
Because it ends with an odd number and this one ends with an even.
Yeah.
And the even will go into 2. Remember?
I thought it just had to have an even number in it.
Oh.
Nope.
No.
The ending number indicates if it's an even number or an odd number. Did you know that? The number that's in the ones spot indicates whether your number is even or odd. Did y'all know that?
Yeah, you told us.
Okay. That is lesson